Ki armut kinong elam jong ka BJP, uba ALHEC, uba day Menteri ke Sorkar, bat kumju uba M Karkrang, uba day unong ay ktin jong ka BJP, hindi kisngi kala penpau, ba ka ktin hindi kadai kabala pendon kam selensar hakari India. Na kaliang uba ALHEC ba kren ulaong, ba ka ktin hindi ke kadai ka ktin bapura jong kari, bat baroh ki Ïingdorbar tauan hakari bat kumjuru hapo parlemen ki pendon kam ya kini ktien. Na kaliang uba karkarang pan kren bat kilat patai kubor halor kini kejui Khang ulaong ba kejing persya jong ke VPP don ayai banong hanrai kejing pendon kam ya ktien hindi hapo ke Ïingdorbar tauan kadai kapabiang pura namar kaktin hindi kadai kaktin kaba hapo kari India ki pendon kam lot baroh bat ulaong ru ba amla ban Khang ya kata kam tam habai dei bat kejing sngau jong kaseng VPP.
I don't want to make any comments on what the other political parties they intend to do. It is not right also, but I feel what to say. I mean, like if that's their point of view, then how?
No, what's your point of view on governor addressing the house in Hindi?
No, Hindi is the national language, no? So how can we stop that? For that matter, even English is a national language. So if you don't accept Hindi, or if you don't accept Hindi, then how do you accept English? So the thing is, these are two national languages which have been recognized. And apart from that, then other languages are the only local languages you can speak. So from our side, from the BJP side, we don't have any problem of speaking in Hindi.
Will the translator?
Copies are there. Assembly Secretariat has already made all arrangements. So that ultimately, for any excuse, you can't make it a political agenda for any excuse, for any reason. Somehow the other you get some reason on and make a political agenda out of it. And I think so. Let's concentrate on development. That is what is required for our state, rather than talk about these kind of things.
And the Hindi is the official national language and also the official language. How you can say that we will go against the national language?
So what do you think UP is raising up the issue?
This is their own opinion, their own issue. But if you ask me, the Hindi is the Rashtra Bhasha. They speak in all the assemblies in the state of the country. They speak in parliament. So this is the national language.